Hi guys, today I'm gonna review the Victorinox Sportsman Red. This is supposed to be the best everyday carry knife from Victorinox, so they say. I mean the other users, not Victorinox per se. So this model is actually 0.3803 Sportsman Red. Mm, so it looks like this. It's an 84 millimeter knife with 2 layers, and the base functions are starting with the opening layer, the can opener with a 3 millimeter screwdriver, the bottle cap opener which has a 90-degree position lock, also with a 6 millimeter flat screwdriver. This locks into position very well. So this was the opening layer. On the other side, the second layer actually, it has the main blade with the original Victorinox Swiss made stainless stamp on it, and on the other side, as any other Victorinox knife, the Officer Swiss stamp. Opposite to the main blade, and contrary to all classic Victorinox knives, this one in particular has a classic looking file. And what I mean by that is you can see here the thread of the file, the nail file, goes all the way from side to side with the nail clean tip. And in my opinion, this one is a lot better than the other one, the one that Victorinox uses in its current models. On the back side, it has a corkscrew with classic 4-turn. It also has a hole. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, it focused eventually. It has a hole for the straight pin. The hole also comes with a awl or slash reamer with a sewing eye. Also, this comes very sharp and pointy. It's very useful. Classic Victorinox tweezers. Come on. Yeah, doesn't want to focus. Anyway, you get the idea. And on the other side, the proverbial toothpick. It also has the key ring, which is considered as another function to the knife. I don't know why would you actually use this for I don't know, wearing on your keychain, because it's, even at 84 millimeter, is pretty big. But anyway, you can do that if you want to. So basically this is gonna be my EDC knife for the next few days. I'm trying to to prove in a way if that statement is true. if it's indeed the best EDC knife for an urban environment. I'll be adding actually I'm gonna do that right now. I'll be adding the mini screwdriver. This is a tiny flat screwdriver that it's used for screwing in tiny screws, like the screws from the glasses. So if you wear glasses, this will become a very useful tool, a very useful addition to the knife. So the mini screwdriver resides here in the corkscrew, and I'm gonna add a straight pin. I don't have the original straight pin from Victorinox, but I have found one that actually fits quite well here. See, like this, and like this. I will also add a keychain clip. It's a like a tiny pocket clip that it mounts right here on the keychain, and it will help in holding the knife in a straight position in the pocket and preventing it from sliding side to side. So this is about it. This is the Victorinox Sportsman Red. I will probably do another video after I've had the chance to use it for a few days. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.